Greetings everyone, Core here. Got a little special unboxing. Hit up my local Target, found this. Uh, Very interesting. It's an upper deck. I haven't seen these around. Maybe I have. I just hadn't noticed them too much. Blizzard Legacy Collection trading cards. So I got a box. It's been a while since I've done some unboxing on here, and I didn't really feel like the Pokemon stuff really hasn't been interesting me too much, so let's go ahead and venture off into some other stuff. Which Blizzard, I do play Blizzard games. I played World of Warcraft back in the day, at least. Currently playing Overwatch. Have played Diablo and stuff. Hearthstone a little bit. Didn't really get too much far into it though, so was curious. Oh, it actually opens on the side. Cool. So we get 7 packs. It's 7 packs and what is that? 8 cards? Yeah, 8 cards each. So we'll see what happens on our first drawing of these. Oh, one second. Oh, there we go. My camera's a little glitchy. Might have to replace it. It's been pretty worn out. So we'll see. Maybe later. Oh, nice. So we got a nice cool ash. Now, these are pretty nice. These are actually kind of thick cards. Draw, which that's pretty cool. It has pretty much like where they're from and stuff. Which that's a Hearthstone logo, right? It's not Warcraft, or maybe I don't know. I don't remember Warcraft. Oh, maybe it is Warcraft. We got Magni, which is pretty fun because there is a Overwatch skin of him for Torborn. Ooh, nice red. Arthas. Maskless. Oops. Arthas. Savannah Windrunner before she was a Banshee Queen. What do we got here? Cider. Not too familiar with him. Let me focus these a little bit better. Yeah, that looks like better. Nice. I didn't play StarCraft too much, but we do have a... Oops, there we go. A Marine. And... Oh, nice. A Kardash. The arenas. So it looks like there's one rare, quote-unquote rare. I guess it's the red. Oops, switch. Let's go ahead and... where's he at? Yeah. We got Arthas so far, so try to go through this a little faster. Probably not going to know everyone, but I got lucky with that first pack. We have Anna. We have a... Wow. RPM Racing. That's an old school, oldie but goodie. Oops. Put these on here. Abnu. Man, I didn't play too much of AQ40. We got a Pharaoh. Nice. Looks like our rare is a... Man. Tyrion. Gorfiend. Not too familiar with him. So, right. Then we have a Deathwing. You have a Tyrell, and a Stalker. Yeah, these cards are actually pretty thick. Like, they're not thin. They're there's some really thick cardboard compared to like all the other trading cards, which is nice because then they're gonna last a lot longer. We got Tracer. We have a Nimsy. Namesy. Hey, ETC. I remember these guys rocking out in the Burning Crusades. Every now and then. Hey, we got a Winston Rare. We have a Warcraft. We have Diablo. We have Zealot. Nice. The Hedrick. Man, every, like, you know, I like Blizzard and all. Blizzard Activision stuff. Like, which, if I was a bigger fan, I would really love these cards because I do like the cards. I'm not saying I don't. It's just, man, I recognize a lot of these guys. Sergeant Hammer, from Heroes of the Storm and stuff. I remember playing against them. And this Star Seeker, man, there's so many. They really go deep in the whole Echo. Ooh, what the heck is this? Heroic Cube? What is this? Let me see. I can zoom in for you guys. Oh, so these make like a cube or something. Well, the name kind of implies that, right? Huh, that's interesting. We'll put it up there. See our rare. Looks like the Lost Vikings 2. I kind of like that. It looks like the SNES cartridge, the way it's set up there. That's really cool. Oops. Let's see. Rose. What do we got? So we got Dark Wanderer. There's Zool. Try to pick up the pace a little bit. Gray Mane. I have a Lunaria. Golden. Sorry. Someone might get mad at me for that one. Let's focus a little bit better. Friend Story. I remember him from Warcraft. I remember him from Warcraft as well. Kane. Man, these names sound so familiar. I just can't fix. Phoenix. Vala. Don't. Looks like she came from one of the comics, like the stories. Definitely it's not in-game kind of art thing. We got Aldrox, the Orc. Set the orcs out. Garish House Scream. That's a cool card. Man, these art cards are great. Rock and Roll Racer. Hey, we got a rare May. Some people call it Ice Devil. The Butcher. Ooh. Wait. Why is it black and white? Grommash House Scream. I believe that was the father of War Chief House Scream. Sarah kidding. Okay, yeah, man, I'm slowly messing up all these names. Festo. Festo. I don't know if that's anything special. Oh, that's cool. So on the back of them it has a little info about them and a nice little hologram. It feels like it is, but I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong. Let's see. Heroes of the Storm. Hey, we got a Mercy. We got Lady Vashi. Ooh, another game. Blackthorn. Early on. We got a... Man, what is he? Oh, he's from Diablo. That's a rare. Kind of wish for something a little better. Oh, we got a draw. Nice. More classic looking draw, too. Fulgin. Dark Spear. Alright, that's pretty good. Went back to back. They're not. Nothing stuck to it. As mod from Diablo. See, I wish I knew played Diablo a bit more. I don't have played it that much. I really kind of just got into it when they had the free trials recently and played a few levels in Immortal and stuff. So nothing too crazy, but these are pretty interesting. So these make like a little box. It's kind of cool. I mean, yeah, it's whatever. I do like it. Got the May though. As a rare. Definitely one of my mains. We got 2 Overwatch rares, so not too bad. Pretty cool cards. Yeah, just something. Maybe might pick up another one just to get a few more, out of the set. A few more Overwatch ones at least. Might even just look online. Maybe just buy them outright. But we'll see. But until next time, guys. Later.